If you want to change the playback speed in two different ways on a TikTok video, let me show you how. For that, first you have to open up your TikTok and find the video you want to adjust. Now press and hold in the middle on the video screen. A menu will pop up and you will see an option called playback speed from here. Now tap on it and now you will be able to choose your preferred speed, either slow it down or speed it up. Once you select a speed, the video will start playing just the way you set it. There's also another quick way, just tap and hold the video like me and it will speed up automatically. But remember, it only stays first while you are holding it like this. And that's it. You have just changed the TikTok video playback speed in seconds. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.